बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा व सलाम अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फिल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बादा अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वल असर इन्नल इंसान लफ़ी खुसर इल्लल्लज़ीना आमनु व अमिलुस्सालिहाति व तवासौ बिल हक़्क़ि व तवासौ बिस्सब्र। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बल्लिगू अन्नी वलौ आया सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि। रब्बिश रहली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा सुब्हानका ला इल्मा लना इल्ला मा अल्लमतना व इन्नका अंतल अलीमुल हकीम। My most respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, remember that we should keep always our heart in the state of Ash-Shukr. Al-Iman is found Ash-Shukr, As-Sabr. Iman is complete if we lead our life in these two qualities. In pleasant condition, Ash-Shukr. Unpleasant condition, As-Sabr. There is no space of complaint. Example, sometimes we get the fever for 2, 3, 4 hours. And we start becoming, our parents start becoming unwell and ungrateful. What about other 164 days? What about other 164 days and other minute? So therefore, we should always keep in the mind the rahmat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala which is overwhelming us. After a few minutes, I'm talking today what are the beautiful qualities of who are the true slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ibadur Rahman. As quality, Quran-e-Majid in the Surah Al-Furqan count some qualities who I mentioned before you. Then we check ourselves, do we have those qualities or not? How much percentage we have those qualities? Who are Ibadur Rahman? Ibadur Rahman are those mu'mineen who do his worship with pleasant heart, with sweet heart, with happiness. Example, after this Jummah finish, Ibadur Rahman wait for other Jummah. After finishing Zohar, Ibadur Rahman wait for the Asr. They always looking for good deed. Let me tell you, good deeds are like a flower on the ground, and human beings trample over those flowers. We should not. Where we find the chance of any good deed, how minor in our eyes, we should do it. We don't know. After doing that small deed, good deed, angel of death comes. Therefore, I will request to myself, to you, we should always keep in good deed, however it small may be. We should value it. And also make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, bless me with the life in your service, in good deeds, in your bandagi. A very good first quality of the Ibadur Rahman, when they walk on the earth, they walk humbly. They pick up the steps in a nice way, but not they walk like a sick man. Umar Farooq was going in the street, he saw a young man walking very humbly. So Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala told him, oh Najwan, oh young man, are you sick? You understand the point? He said, no. Then he said, walk firmly. But not with the pride. We should not walk also such a way the sick person. The humbleness in the heart. Of course, if we are humble in the heart, it will be shown in our action, unconsciously. Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he used to walk, he used to walk little faster, putting the feet Mubarak strongly on the land. As some Sahaba, especially old Sahaba, had to little take the race, run to catch Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Means what? We should not walk like a sick person. Invite other people to harm us. The people of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Ibadur Rahman, they are very punctual in the Salat. Especially the Salat of Tahajjud. This is one of the big quality of Ibadur Rahman, who are the special servant, banda of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They make 5 times salat, but one-to-one relation, to build one-to-one relation, they wake up for tahajjud. Now, if I have job to wake up 1 o'clock, my term start in the factory from 1 o'clock. Will I wake up or not? Sure. Any time I will be ready to do work. And that very work what I do is a must, we should do it. But rizq halal is a ibadat. To earn halal rizq is ibadat. And with this halal rizq, if you want barakah, make nafal salat, farz salat, and spend some of the part of the halal rizq in the path of Allah. Help the poor people. And even spending, earning money, and spending money on the family, Prophet said, is the best sadaqah. You hearing me? Spending money on the family and children is the best sadaqah. It does not mean I should not put sadaqah box of money here. The mullah told, give me to the wife. She will take from you. Either way. You don't want to give, the woman knows how to get money from you. But if you give money, especially always advise, we should fix some pocket money of the wife. Because sometimes the woman needs something which they cannot tell you. Some pocket money should be in her pocket every month. And don't ask after 2-3 months how much you saved. Don't say it. It's her money. So she should feel little self-sufficient. The quality of a good woman, when anybody talk like an ignorant person, like a jahil, talk in a bad way, they don't answer back in the same tone. No, they know tit for tat in Islam until it is decided by the Qazi or the court. It's very, very important. When we deal with such person who are rude, we should not become rude. Especially within the family relationship, we should be very, very careful. I advise to my sister, make sure you are never rude in any form to the husband. Even you have big job, you are doctor, you are engineer, you are making good money, your father is very rich. What? You should respect your husband. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said one time, if sajda was okay to do to some other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, और अल्लाह सुब्हानहू तआला के सिवा किसी को सजदा जायज़ होता, I would have advised the woman or the woman to do sajda to your husband. Subhanallah. This is the status of the husband. But at the same time, husband is not police officer, not a thanedar in our Punjabi word, that he command. No. We should have sweet relation with our wife. When children see the sweet relation with the wife, between husband and wife, they will be sweet to you. You will be rough to your wife, or wife is rough to you, the children will be rough to you. They don't complain. Hazrat ji dua karo, mere bade bacche gustakh hain, they are very rude. Hazrat ji will ask back, are you nice to your wife? Is she nice to you? What model you are showing in the home? They found the model. We should have sweet social relationship model at home. And then our children will take that model in the masjid class, in the school class, with their own class fellow. Therefore, we have to educate the children through our action. less by tongue, more by action. My son, please make namaz. Make 5 times more. This American child is not like a Pakistani child. He will keep silent. He said, Dad, why don't you make salat? If Dad not making all salat, if Dad say make salat, this American born boy, our son, will say, Dad, do you make it? One small incident. One boy was sitting in the back seat, and Muslim brother was driving the car. He crossed the red light. Police stopped him. Now, driver saying here and there, mean not, I did not cross the officer, I did not cross the light. Their father said 2-3 times, then boy back spoke up, Dad, you crossed the red light, I saw it. Oh my God. You see that? These children are honest. In America, in Britain, such countries, more of children are honest, where there is less corruption. You understand clearly? If you behave corruptly at home, the children will behave the same. The Banda, about man, and slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they have two special qualities. They are not spendthrift. They don't waste money. And they are not conjuice, miser. You understand? In spending money, they are moderate. Etadal. Moderation, remember brothers, the moderation, Etadal, is one of the names of Al-Islam. Moderation is the best principle in every walk of life. You will never face trouble if you are moderate in your social behavior or any other personal behavior. Extremism, it will always harm you. Extremism always harm you. Example, if you are very extreme in eating the food, what will happen? You get sick. And you are not eating. Every day you are fasting. Not Ramadan time, every day you are fasting. This is too much. This is extremism. That you cannot fulfill the right of the job. You cannot fulfill the right of the family if you do fast every day. It's extremism. Be moderate. 18-hour job. La ilaha illallah. 8 hours sleep only, 6 hours sleep, 2 jobs. Where are the children relation? Where the wife relation? Where your personal comfort? Our body has right on us. Body needs rest also. Money is not everything. Have moderate life. Be moderate in every aspect of life. You will remain happy. You want to remain happy? Be moderate. I am not talking from myself. These qualities, Quran telling us. Allah SWT telling us. I wish we read Quran with the translation and little explanation. Then we will see that. We should never attend unhealthy majalis, meeting. We should not be part of such meeting, such majalis, which are especially non-religious. We should try to attend a religious meeting or meeting of holy people. Good company will have effect good on your character behavior, and bad company will have bad effect. Sohbate sale tura sale kunat. Sohbate Persian. Sohbate sale tura sale kunat. The company of the good pious people will make you pious. Sohbate tale tura tale kunat. And company of the good luck people makes good luck. And sohbate bat tura bat kunat. Bad sohbat, bad company, bad friend will make you bad. The children, listen again carefully. All children sitting here have good friend, best friend in the life. They will make you best. Be away from bad friend. How to check it? When you talk to him, he talk bad. Otherwise, my friend, my brother, don't do it. If still he doing, leave him alone. I hope so. My children, listening to me. Have good friend. Good company will make you good. Bad company will make you bad. Our elder youth gave example. Have a basket of fresh apple basket. Only put one apple which is bad. Next day or 2 days, you will see all other good apples become bad. This is a very good example our elder gave always. So be watchful. Be watchful what kind of friend you have. You tell me your friend. I tell you what you are. Man is known by the company he keeps. If we have people, maximum good qualities, obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my friend, my children, you will enjoy life in dunya like Jannat. More we are close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will feel comfort in the heart, peaceful heart. That is the heart of Jannati. Otherwise, if we have bad relation, bad company, it will have the bad same effect. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from every kind of bad company and make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Rabbana hablana min azwajina wa zurriyatina qurrata a'yun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. If you want your husband, your wife, your children become obedient to you, this is the ayat mubarakah from Surah Al-Furqan, maybe 74 number. So, in the end of Surah Al-Furqan, please memorize this ayat mubarakah. And before making salam, read this in your dua. You read this, Rabbana, Habalana, मिन अज़वाजिना व ज़ुर्रियातिना क़ुर्रत आयुन, या अल्लाह मेक माई चिल्ड्रन माई वाइफ coolness of my eyes. They become only coolness if they obey Allah and Rasul al-Islam. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Jazakallah khair. सुनते पढ़ Yes. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.